In today's video, we are going to show you how to scan a QR code on the Exness app. Let's begin. Start by launching the Exness app on your Android phone or iPhone device. Make sure you're signed in to your account before proceeding. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and complete any required verification steps. Once you're in the main dashboard, I want you to go to the profile icon, which can be found on the bottom right corner, and then click the gear icon settings. You see this cog icon on the top right corner. I want you to click on it and then scroll down until you find security. Now, for you to be able to locate the QR code scanner, click the security type. Right now, it is set by email, which is going to be the default security type. And all I have to do is click the change button. You will be given multiple options here. I want you to click the authentication app and then click the next button. Now from here, all I have to do is simple. You can use any authenticator app that you prefer. You can use a Google authenticator app. It's up to you. Now, if you don't want to do this right now, it's okay. You can click the remind me later. But if you want to proceed so that you can scan the QR codes, just click the get started. And what will happen is, as you can see, all I have to do is follow this instructions. Pair the authenticator app and you have your account name plus your secret key. Remember, if this is your first time using the scanner, the app may ask for permission to access your camera. Just tap allow or grant permission so the app can scan QR codes using your device's camera. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to scan a QR code on the Exness app. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.